sneak peek of Thomas Power Ninja Turtles the movie, Part 2. Ha ha ha. I will defeat you guys.
You'll never defeat us. Ah! Why, you little piece of junk? Leave my brother alone.
I'm twice as strong.
But this wasn't always like this. We were little kids. Hey, you should get out the way.
No. I'm already a teenager with mine.
Leave my kids alone.
Let's see about that.
Ah! Ah! What are you doing to me? Leave my daddy alone, Thomas. Kick him.
You.
Go,
You'll never defeat me, right, Dragon?
Yeah. Now we're teenagers, and we need to stop you from causing this mess.
I'll snap my way through the universe.
No, you won't.
I'll get you, and once I do, I'll destroy you little trains.
Boys! Maybe you should not get to the fighting train. Thank you, my kids. I will deal with them.
When I get you, I'll destroy you. Why?
Leave my owners alone.
Minions, get him!
Go! Thomas! Ah! Everybody, into the supercar!
We lost it. Victor, stand the victor. Where's that, Thomas? Detecting right over there.
How did he find us? Thomas, you have to fight Victor. Ah!